Hi, baby. Can you show everyone your new trick?
Go get the fish. Go get the fish. Can you get the fish? It's over here. Hey, Ellie. Here. Here.
Show us your moves. I'm gonna stand up so I can see you better. You're too close. Ah! Hi, baby girl. Come here. Come here. Come see me. Come here. You can do it. Hey, come here.
Here. Is that in the way? Come here. There. Now go over there.
Come here.
Hey.
You can do it.
Your arm's getting tired.
There you go.
Oh, there it is. Good girl.
I think that's more like a gorilla scooch or something like that. Incentive.
I'm going to say your first text message.
Yay! You crawling to daddy. I want to see your beautiful face. Hey, baby. These cords are quite the incentive. We just let her play with cords and electrical outlets and space heaters. She'd be so happy, huh?
You want some scissors and some matches? Uh-oh.
Elle, can you say bye-bye?
Can you wave to Mama?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Whoa, did that heater just turn on? All right, well, can you say night-night?
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
No, I want my cards.
See you later. Love you.
Bye-bye.
All right, we'll see you next time. Love you.